Don't tell me to stop.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna start over.
This is drunk with hiccups related. With rotated, I mean. Ready? Play.
I can't believe she's in her underwear.
I know.
Are we
Sitting
bad
in front
people?
of the toilet.
Are
Nope.
we bad people for laughing
No.
at someone with hiccups? Oh,
We have the hiccups.
I know.
We're just not dumb enough to sit in front of the toilet.
I mean, I don't have to throw up.
I don't either. Throwing up's for pussies.
Yum.
Fuck Kevin. The hiccups is right. Yeah, how do you?
Hold your breath and swallow 3 times.
Hold your breath, ready?
Hold your breath and swallow 3 times.
Whoa. Am I cured? Nope.
I think mine are gone.
Nope, mine aren't. I think she's right. My dad's girlfriend said you have to like bend over and like take 3 deep breaths and swallow like 3 times and like. What?
I'm pretty sure mine are gone. That's how mine sound when I have them.
That was just a bad one.
Yawn. If you
Yeah.
yawn, they'll go away. That's why mine went away. Yawn. Yawn.
I did. I think.
No, you didn't. You're not yawning. There you go. That's a yawn. See? Yeah. Make those little baby dinosaur noises.
What's the? That's a baby pterodactyl. No, it's. Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Baby pterodactyl.
You're still recording.
It's, go that way.
But I
Oh,
can go
let's
over.
close that.
Ew.
No, it's not.
Ew.
2 minutes and 53 seconds.
Okay, stop it.
What's the next video we gonna watch?
Should we post that one on Yoko's wall?
Or we could